Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can dispute something on Credit Karma. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Start by checking your 3 major credit reports on a regular basis to make sure they're accurate and up to date. You can check your TransUnion and Equifax credit reports for free on Credit Karma. Step 2. If you spot any errors on your TransUnion credit report, you can dispute them through Credit Karma's direct dispute tool. Tap on the Credit tab while using the app and scroll down to the section labeled Dispute Errors on your credit report. Tap Go to Dispute Center to initiate the dispute process. In the Dispute Center, you can view any disputes in progress with TransUnion and past disputes you've submitted. This is also where you'll start the process with a TransUnion dispute. Tap Get Started to continue. Step 3. Before submitting your dispute, you'll be required to fill out a brief form verifying what exactly you're disputing: ownership or accuracy. Under each category, check all the boxes that apply. When you're finished, you can submit your dispute. Step 4. Generally speaking, TransUnion will review your dispute within 30 days. After TransUnion's investigation, you'll be notified about whether any changes will be made to your credit report. Step 5. You may also dispute credit report errors directly with Equifax and Experian. To file a dispute with Equifax, go to the Dispute Center on Credit Karma. Instead of tapping Get Started, select I need to dispute with Equifax. This will take you directly to Equifax, where you can submit your dispute. Step 6. Keep in mind, it may take a while for changes to show up on your credit reports. So don't panic if a reported error doesn't disappear right away.